guys, welcome back. So today I figured we could just hang out together and I can show you what I do in the day. And I feel like you guys really liked this video last time, so I want to do another one. Only this one is with my real camera, not my phone, so it's going to look a lot better. And hopefully I can actually do some different things today. Doubtful, but you know, maybe, you never know where this video might take us. First things first, I need to do some editing, and then I'm going to probably clean, and then I'm going to the gym for like the first time in like 3 weeks. But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So today is my day off, and on my days off I like to start off by editing my videos in the morning. I like to just spend a couple hours just to get them done and really concentrate on working on them. So I just finished editing and I just ordered some food because I really wanted a chicken wrap, but I just got a snack size one and then I got a Caesar salad. So I'm waiting for that to come, and in the meantime I'm going to start cleaning, so let's just get started on that. So whenever it comes to cleaning, I always like to start off by doing my laundry because laundry just takes the longest. And I just like to get it out of my way, so I just go ahead and I separate all my darks and lights and just let that go, so that way I can get other things done in the meantime and just come back periodically to switch over my loads. And by the time I finish all of my cleaning, all I have left is to fold my laundry. Okay, so now that laundry's done, let's move on to cleaning the bedroom. My process for cleaning any room in my house is to start on one end and do like a sweep across the room, cleaning things as I go. So I'm starting with my dressers. I like to just clean off any garbage, and then I will organize it and I will wipe it all down. I'm just using like a cloth with some water right now, but if you guys have any ideas for more sustainable cleaning DIYs, please let me know. I really want to get into more things that like help the environment, but also things that help save some bank. I will then move on to tidying up any clutter on the floor. I just like to put things where they belong right away, so that's why you see me leaving the room so much. And then I'll just clean off our side table. I'm just going to take everything off, wipe it down, and then put everything back on neatly before moving on to making my bed. So I don't really make my bed every single morning because I don't want to. When I do make the bed, I try to make it as neat as possible so that there are no wrinkles in the sheets, because it really drives me insane, and I just do my best to try to get rid of as many as possible and make it look as nice as possible, because it really does make such a difference. Okay, so I basically finished the majority of that room. I'm just letting the vacuum go through, and then we can move on to the living room in the meantime. So again, I'm going to do the same process that I did with the other room, where I just work my way across. So I'm going to put all the laundry in front of the laundry machines. So it looks really messy there, but it's not as messy as it is. It just has a lot of baskets over there. And as you can see, I have an addiction to finding the perfect pillow, and through my trials and error, now I have too many pillows. But anyways, I'm just going to clean off the coffee table, and then I will wipe it down pretty much the same that I did in the bedroom. I'm going to organize the TV stand a little bit as well, and I will also give that a wipe. Also, lunch has arrived, but I decided I'm going to clean the rest of the living room and then I will eat. Okay, so I'm just going to move on to cleaning up the next couch. You can see how many laundry baskets there are there, so it looks worse than it is. But anyways, I'm just going to clear off the whole couch, and then I will organize whatever is on the floor, put it all back in its rightful place, and then I'm going to clean my desk, just close my computer, organize everything on it, and then I will also give that a wipe down as well. And as you can see, it looks so much better already. I'm going to go ahead, eat lunch, and then we'll get back to cleaning. I just finished lunch. I couldn't finish everything. I only ate the salad, but it's okay. I'll eat the wrap for dinner. And now I'm going to move on to cleaning the kitchen. Yay! Cleaning the kitchen is like one of my least favorite things to do, but it's actually not too bad today. So I think I can get through it pretty fast. I'm gonna start by unloading the dishwasher because I find whenever I clean a kitchen, seeing dishes in the sink makes it look 10 times worse than it is. I swear dishes take up a majority of the time when it comes to cleaning a kitchen. But to whoever invented dishwashers, you are an angel. It makes it so much more easier than having to wash them all by hand. And I'm just gonna go ahead and reload the dishwasher with all of the dirty dishes, and then I can go ahead and move on to cleaning some other things. So I'm gonna first just organize the counters. Whatever doesn't belong there, I'm just gonna put in its proper place. Any jars or cans that I have, I like to rinse them off before I put them in the recycling. Once everything is put in its place and I've organized everything, I am just going to wipe down all of the counters. Again, using a wet cloth. Since things get wiped down fairly regularly, I don't really find the need to go in with like a metal scrubby to really get off any hard debris. Everything pretty much comes off with a washcloth and a little bit of elbow grease. And then once I am finished with wiping all of the counters, I'm going to clean out all of the sinks. Today I want to wash all of the dish tools, so I just put those in the dishwasher as well, minus the sponge, before I went ahead and cleaned out the sinks. Again, I'm just using a wet washcloth and a sponge to clean the majority of everything. I'll just finish off by putting away the remainder of the clean dishes and wiping the microwave and the toaster oven down. I didn't do a deep clean, but if you guys want to see a deep clean video where I like clean inside of cupboards and microwaves and stuff like that, again, leave it in the comments below so I know, and I will definitely do that for you. Here, I'm just switching around my laundry because the first load was done. And I'm just going to clean off the laundry rack here, which is meant for drying laundry, but honestly, I use it more as a table. So I'm just going to clean it off so it can be used for its intended purpose, which is still using it as a table. And then I'm just going to put away a suitcase that we had left out from when we went away. And now I'm just going to wipe down the tables in the hallway, and I can move on to cleaning up the bathroom. So I'm just going to clear off the counters a bit, put away what doesn't need to be up there, and then organize what is up there. I didn't do a deep clean of the bathroom this day either. I just pretty much cleaned up just the surfaces of a few things just to tidy it up a bit. So I'm just going to wipe down the counter and any of the stuff on top of the counter that was collecting dirt, as well as clean out the sink and wash the mirror. So I think that's all the cleaning I'm going to do for today. I'm going to get ready to head out now, and I'm going to just let the vacuum finish off the rest of the house. I did as much as I wanted to do. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, just finished at the gym, and now we are going to the mall to go find dresses. And I'm at grocery shop. Just arrived at the mall. We're gonna go dress shopping for a bit. So we went on the hunt and scoured the stores for dresses, and the first one we stopped at was Forever 21. And I actually ended up finding a dress there, and I will show you guys the dress later. It's just a long dark blue dress, which I didn't even end up wearing anyways. I ended up going with a different dress that I already had. But I also picked up a few other things that I needed and a couple of things that I wanted, because I have a problem when I go shopping. And then we stopped and we had milkshakes, and they were delicious. We just went to Marshall's and I grabbed this. It's like my favorite hair serum. And now we're getting milkshakes. It's so cute. We are all done at the mall. We are now heading back home. So I just got back home and I just wanted to show you guys what I bought before I go ahead and take my shower. So I got this really long dress in blue. I got this black tank top and a black t-shirt. And then I got the Bio Silk Hair Therapy that I was telling you about earlier. And I really love this stuff. It makes it really easy to comb through my hair after I shower. And then for groceries, I got pesto, pepper, chicken, and fish. I recently got some herbs and I have been watering them and putting them in the sun as to their directions. And for some reason, this one is half dying. It's half alive, but it's half dying, but it's half alive. So if you guys have any like tips for keeping plants alive, please let me know. This one is curled leaf parsley. This one is Thai basil. Yes, and this one's doing fine. And that was the sage. That's also doing fine. But the parsley is struggling. So if you have any tips, please let me know. I don't have a green thumb. I also want to put away the clothes that I got today, but I do want to like just organize my 2 drawers a little bit just because they're really messy and not folded. So let's do that first. Okay, so now my drawers are actually organized and they can close now, which yay. And now I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I just finished my shower. I did wet my hair a little bit and put some mousse in it because it wasn't looking its best. And this kind of helped it a little bit actually, which I'm shocked because I didn't think it was gonna help it at all. And I trimmed it a little bit, but I have nothing else planned for the night. I'm gonna watch some TV, I'm gonna hang out, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I have to work tomorrow. I know the last one got a really good response, so I want to do another one using my actual camera because it looks so much nicer. Some of it was filmed on my phone, but I filmed some on my camera. So if you guys like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on my channel, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. And until next time guys, bye!